Catalent Pharma Solutions. They're a contract development and manufacturing organization. The purpose is to manufacture pharmaceutical drugs for the pharmaceutical industry.
We have several different technologies. We operate worldwide. Catalent has a patient-first initiative.
We support our customers with clinical trials. So the challenges is about speed to market, accuracy, and our analysis, efficacy of the product. On the manufacturing side, it's about repeatability, control, compliance. Part of our digital transformation strategy at Catalent is about how can we remove paper from the operation? How can we deliver faster and improve efficiencies? One of the cornerstone solutions is the Documentum solution by OpenText. That solution is where we store our bills of material, SOPs, our recipes. It becomes the cornerstone solution because it's the source that we refer to when we are going to execute or manufacture a product, or we're going to change a process, or when we need to demonstrate to an auditor group that we're following our procedures and we're doing it in a very controlled fashion.
One of our biggest business goals is harmonizing our process. By implementing Documentum, we have workflows that operate the same way every time, irrespective of who is using that product. Documentum helps make sure that we don't have barriers to access our documents. We don't have barriers to approve new documents. What is required to do the job is available before we start the job.
The biggest challenge continues to be on the cybersecurity front, protecting our data, but more so our customer data. We have a pretty robust cybersecurity program at Catalent, which we really focus on. It's about how do we try to stay ahead. We do that through a segmentation, and we do that through identity management. Our customers have confidence that when they share their data with us, that it's controlled, and only the right people that need access get access. We needed a solution that can be scaled up in a manner that the data can be accessed anywhere across the world real time. Second of all, it's about the security of the data. And third, it's about portability of the data. Using OpenText Private Cloud allows us to be more competitive because it allows us to be more operational efficient. For us, the experience we have with OpenText and professional services has been top-notch.
Putting our company into Documentum was not a single process. And at each phase of implementing the product, we had unique challenges based on where our data was coming from. One of the highlights of our Documentum implementation project was working with learning services. We were able to create organized training in multiple languages.
We're trying to find ways to continue to minimize the impact of our operations on the carbon footprint. We have a very challenging goal of reducing overall carbon footprint impact by 42% by 2030. And solving some of that is through the use of the Documentum solution.
Have a combined solution is very important to us. Being part of that solution really means that you're doing noble work.
Having the ability to improve our operation by using tools such as Documentum enables us to be more efficient in getting product to the patients, helping us be more competitive in the marketplace. But I think more so we are changing people's lives.